Let's learn validation in a worksheet through a list created in another worksheet. Here we have two worksheets. One is validation, one is support data. Suppose you don't have predefined list in the same worksheet and you want to set validation through a different worksheet like this. Adjacent worksheet as support data. Whatever data required for validation or some standard list I had created in support data, and I want to validate my cells in this particular worksheet through the list in this worksheet. How to set it? For that, primarily you have to name the list. Suppose this is a list of city. So right click, name a range and give name as city. Click on OK. Since it is already exist, it will not work. City is already there. So we will have to remove the city. How to remove it? Go to formulas, name manager, remove city from here, category from here, gender from here. How to set it? Select the list, right click, name a range. By default, the very first cell of your selection will appear as a name. Click on OK. Similarly for this, right click, name a range, category is my name for the list. For gender, select the list, right click, name a range, gender is the name of the list. Click on OK. Now we have three lists: gender, city and category. If you want to check it, click here on name box. You will find category, city and gender. This indicates that you have predefined list called category. Click on city, it will go to the list city. Click on gender, it will go to gender list. Now I want to validate for respective columns herein. For the city of column, I want to validate for predefined list in this particular worksheet, which is named after city. So go to data, data validation, select list, type is equal to CITY. Click on OK. Here the validation is set for you. For category, data validation, list, check what happens. Will it work? Let's see whether it works or not. It is not working. What's wrong? See, we had selected the cells and while validating, the spelling is wrongly put therein and it is without is equal to sign. Even if I have is equal to sign here with wrong spelling, how it will work? It will not accept, because the list with name CATEGOORY is not therein. So you should be particular to enter specific values therein. SC, OBC, like for rest of the cells you can enter through list. Anything you enter beyond this, it will not accept. Similarly for gender, you have a gender list. So data validation, change to list, source is equal to gender. You can set input message on or error alert or error message as what we learned earlier. There is no change in setting those things here. Gender, male, female.